Hey guys, so for today's video we're going to be installing some Spyder taillights and a third brake light on top of the cab, and I'm going to get those lights out and show you guys what they look like. Alright, so I just started unboxing these. This is that third brake light that I was talking about that goes on top of the cab. And then down here we got the Spyder taillights. Really loving the way they look. I got them on eBay. I think I got them for $158 and this was 25 bucks. So yeah, it's definitely a good price and they look awesome. All right, now that we got those lights unpackaged, we're gonna open this tailgate, get up on top of this bed, and we're just gonna take off this third brake light. All you should need is a Phillips screwdriver, and there's gonna be 2 bolts. If you guys are having any problems trying to take off this clip, just turn this tail light backwards and you're gonna see this little piece here. Pull that upwards and it should release. Okay guys, so this is the before and after. Definitely a better looking tail light overall. Now we're just gonna get it on and see what it looks like. But before we do that, you're gonna wanna clean the inside of this up. After that's cleaned up, you're gonna wanna pull off this adhesive and stick it to the back of the tail light. And once you guys got that back on, we'll get back to installing. Now we're just gonna tuck all these wires in this hole. Okay, now that I got that on, it looks awesome, but we're having a problem. For some reason, the reverse lights are turning on when the truck's off. Okay guys, so if you guys are having the same problem as me, just unplug this white wire and it seems to solve the problem. All right, now that's done, we're gonna get started on these lights. First thing we're gonna do is take down the tailgate and you're gonna see 2 Phillips screws. We're gonna loosen those up. Once you've taken out those screws, you're gonna wanna pull kind of hard because there's gonna be 2 clips on the back side of the light. Once you have these lights removed, we're just gonna screw these bulbs out. Okay, so these lights are totally plug and play. This light's gonna come to the bottom here, this gray one, and then the small one's gonna come and plug in here. But these 2 top ones, you're just gonna unplug these lights. And once you do that, they'll look like this. And you'll take this and you wanna plug it in black to black as it says here. So it'll look exactly like this. Once you have everything plugged in, it'll look just like this. Last step is gonna be to put these screws back in. All right, now let's show you guys what these lights look like. All right guys, so I'm loving these Spyder taillights. These are the running lights, blinkers, and both of them will come on when the brake lights are on. But that's about it for the tail light install. All right guys, so that's about it for this video. Just remember to put your post notifications on so you'll be up to date on the newest videos. But that's about it. Just remember to like and subscribe, helps out a lot. Later guys.